Hey y'all, thanks for coming to my channel, you feel me? So today I'm going to show you how to go from that to this baddie right here with the slick bun tutorial. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm just showing you how dry my hair is and them edges, okay? First things first, get your water bottle, your spray bottle filled with water, and spray them edges and massage it into your scalp so water can be evenly dispersed amongst your head and in your hair, because we're gonna sleek it down. Second thing, grab that rat tail comb, that comb with the cylinder skinny little end piece, rat tail comb, yes, and make your part. I personally choose a diagonal part because, you know, some people do the straight back middle part, but I have a big forehead, and honestly, sis, I'm gonna put you on, okay? Doing this diagonal part will actually help you conceal or hide some of that forehead if you got a forehead like me, because all the pretty girls got big foreheads. We all know that, you feel me? We're gonna help you conceal some of that, okay? So first things first, get that part together, because I did mess it up a little bit, so I had to go back and get it together. So I fixed that part, and then we brush that hair back, okay? And then I'm gonna show you the trick to conceal your forehead. I was a little bit messy with the water. I got it all on my chest, but it's cool, it's cool. Just wiped it off. But yeah, so here we go. We got that gots to be glued, the black bottle, sis. Yes, okay, because I ain't getting the yellow bottle. It says glue on the yellow one, and I'm putting gel on my hair. I ain't trying to use no glue. So this is what it is. It came out a little bit messy, which is why I made a stink face, but we're gonna take like a dime to a nickel size of the gots to be glue, evenly rub it amongst your hand, and then place it on your hair, because we want a slick bun. It's really easy, really simple. That is not enough for my head though, so I had to get a little bit more. So that for sure is like a dime. So I got one more like a dime size of gots to be glue and placed it along my hair, everywhere that I need it to be slick. You don't need too much of this stuff though, because we all know that stuff work for real. Okay, so this is the trick. When you got your hair in this diagonal part, it makes it so much easier to brush your hair forward and kind of get some swoops going on, but not really swoops, but at the same time you're concealing your head. Yes, my brush got stuck in my hair because my hair is pretty thick and curly, but we're gonna keep it rolling. So I'm just brushing my hair back. Brushing it back into a low ponytail. So like I said, you want to brush it forward first, because we're going to cover some of that head. If you got a big head like me, and we all know all the pretty girls got big heads, go ahead and do that diagonal part and cover up some of your head. It ain't going to hurt. Girl, you're going to be looking good, period, poo. So I'm brushing my hair back into a low ponytail, making sure to keep my part nice. We want to brush out all the lumps, bumps, and any spaces you may see. We're going to brush all that out, okay? While going into this middle ponytail. Then I realized I didn't have a scrunchie, but guess what? There goes my scrunchie. Ooh. So now I'm putting it into a ponytail. And once I had spaces, that's not cute. So of course I had to go back and brush it while my hair is still in a ponytail, which is absolutely okay. Keep your hair in that low ponytail and fix the pieces that need to be fixed while your hair is in a ponytail. That's your next trick. Don't take it out. Keep it in the ponytail. Brush, brush, brush. No lumps, bumps, or spaces, okay? brush it all out. So finally, all of the lumps and bumps are brushed out. I prep my second scrunchie so it won't pop, because if you prep it a little bit, prime it up, then it leaves space for you to kind of use it a little bit more rougher, if you like me. But while I was putting my hair in this ponytail with the second scrunchie, I noticed I had a space right there, which I ain't see before, so I'm like, what the hell? So I had to brush it some more, but your girl fixed it. Okay, so just use that second scrunchie to put it in a low ponytail along with the first one. But now we're gonna use your third scrunchie. Twist your hair up like a cone, like a cylinder. Twist, 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 and twirl it around to make a donut like bun. And then grab your third scrunchie and just put it around that new donut bun you made. It will hold. So now it is sleek and we are not finished. Time for the baby hairs. But before we get to the baby hairs, I actually noticed a little bit more lumps in my hair, because it was my hair is very curly, very wavy, so I need to make sure I brush it as many times as I can. So now we got that Gots to Be glue, and I am ready to tie my baby hairs. So dab some Gots to Be glue on your index finger, and go ahead and dab your baby hair brush or toothbrush into that gel, and just use all your other fingers to kind of help you get those fan swoops going. But the whole time I just kept that glue on my index finger, which is why I have it in the air like that, and all my other fingers I use to help me get those swoops together. But the entire time I just used that one droplet of Gots to Be glue for both sides of my baby hair. You don't need a lot. That side is almost finished. Just play with your baby hairs until you get them the way you like. And honestly, I'm not the best at doing this, but I just brush them into little fan swoops until I'm able to get them the way I like it. So then we're going to the other side and doing the same thing. This side was a little bit harder for me, so I decided to switch my baby hair brushes, because I can't really operate with that one. I had to go back to my old school toothbrush. It's so much easier to work with, and not only that, this toothbrush do not scratch my forehead. That pink one, it was literally cutting my damn forehead. So yeah, I was able to use my toothbrush to my satisfaction. My OG toothbrush that I've been using before them little fake baby hair brushes was even a thing. So I just went back in and brushed out a little bit more spaces that I saw, and pulled out a few strands of hair on the side of my face. I think those are so cute. That's my preference. You don't have to do those, but I do like them. Squirted that water straight into the air. Only a little bit got on my finger. So that side is done, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull out some hair on this side of my head. And my finger was still wet, so. And we are finished, you feel me? Simple, real easy. Simple, sis, simple. Hold up, wait a minute, we ain't finished yet. Got that pearl clip. So I'm very indecisive. I didn't know which way I wanted to put this thing. I didn't know if I wanted to put it that way, this way, that way. So I decided to put it that way. I was like, you know what, let's do it this way. And I didn't even end up liking it. So I took it out, messed up my hair a little bit, but it's cool, you feel me? Because you still look good, sis. And then I fixed it that way, just the regular, schmegular way. And we are done, sis. Threw some hoops on and you are good to go, baby. You look good. Hold up, pulled out the shades because I was wearing blue and I had some blue shades, you did. Thank you for watching my hair tutorial. This is the full look. Did a 360 for you, baby. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your favorite part of this video and what else you would like to see. Hope to connect with you in the future. Thanks for watching.